All right, so we got the Anker C200 PowerCon F. Okay, so I'm not gonna do a fancy unboxing because unboxing is not the main concern. The quality, the build is the main thing which we want to see. All right, so we have the manual which no one reads. So here we got the camera. Okay, so as you can see here, the Anker looks really nice, compact design. You know what I'm saying? It's not that small also, it's a little bit heavy. I thought it's gonna be like, you know, like light. As you can see, it also have a shutter in here. You can close it or and open it. And here we have the holder, the mount, and also it's an type C. I don't think you can see it. It's a type C. They also gave the cable here. They also give the cable in here, you know what I'm saying? So you can see it's from USB-C, you know what I'm saying? From B to C, I guess. I don't know. Alright guys, this is me with the Anker C200. As you can see, the camera is not so bad. It's acceptable, you know what I'm saying? With the price range, it's really acceptable, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna turn on the lights and let's see. As you can see, I have turned off the lights in my room. With only the window light is visible to my camera. I think it's having a difficulty focusing on my face, but if you it does well, it's not so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on my ring light and see what happens. All right, so I have turned on my ring light. As you can see, I think my face is a little bit too bright. All you need is a 1080p 60 fps. It's like much better than 2K or 4K. You don't need a 4K or a 2K webcam in live streaming. 1080p is the best. It's always the best, you know what I'm saying? A good color for grading, you know what I'm saying, and the focus stuff and all. So the reason I bought this camera is because I'm gonna do live streaming. So I'm gonna also do a comparison with my camera, Nikon D3400. It's a DSLR camera, so let's see the difference. The Nikon D3400, which is of course it's a DSLR camera, you know what I'm saying? It's a DSLR camera, so it's always gonna have the best quality of all. So as you can see, the color grading, it's my face is yellow, you know, the natural color tone. If I switch to my webcam right now, as you can see, it's kind of bluish, you know what I'm saying? So if you download the webcam utility Anker C2 for the program, the software, you can mess with the exposure, the saturation and all, and it will look better. Which, alright guys, we are here on the software, the Anker C200, you know what I'm saying, the Anker work. As you can see, the resolution, we have like 2K, so I'm going to switch to 1080p and 720p and 360p, which is the worst. As you can see, it's all blurry, you know what I'm saying? So with the 2K or 1080p, it's always the best, you know what I'm saying? And you also have the angle frame like 78, 65, 95. If you go to the image, as you can see, you can mess with the settings in here, the brightness, the sharpness. You can sharp your video, you know what I'm saying? We got the saturation in here. Oh my days, oh hell nah. We got optimize the brightness option in here, so you can see it automatically optimize the lighting maybe. And we also have the auto white balance. Let's see. I need my video to be a warm, you know what I'm saying? I think it's much better than before, because before it was like all blue. There's nothing in my room which is blue. Like even I'm wearing red. Okay, so we also have the autofocus. So yeah, we can you can do the manual focus by yourself. I'm gonna try to focus the box. As you can see the stuff, right? Okay, so back to my face. It's much better, you know what I'm saying? It's much better than I thought. Okay, so we got the sound. We have pickup mode. The 360 is from the like whole world of the camera, and 90 is maybe from the front, which is maybe cardboard pattern, something like that. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope this video have helped you out a lot, you know what I'm saying? So if you want my opinion, if you want to buy this camera, I will say go for it. Also, I'm gonna do live streaming with this webcam. So subscribe so you can see the my live streaming, and you can also see the quality of the webcam. So thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like and share. See you on my next video. Bye.